How to enable earthquake alert on your very Android device. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can enable the earthquake alert on your Android device. In order to enable the earthquake alert on your very Android device, at first you have to go to the settings on your device. After proceeding to the very settings on your very device, here you can see the option of safety and emergency. You can tap on safety and emergency. After tapping on safety and emergency, here you can see the option of earthquake alerts. You have to tap on it. Now, after you tap on earthquake alerts, you can just enable the earthquake alerts, and you can see that when an earthquake is detected nearby, you'll get an alert with the initial estimated magnitude and distance from your location. This very Android uses your approximate location to send information about the nearby earthquakes of magnitude 4.5 and above, as they are detected by the Shek alert and all of those. And you have to bear in mind that earthquake alerts are not just supported in all the areas, so it should have some of the areas. You could go to the option of find out more about the earthquake alerts, and here in the down portion you could see the various kind of things regarding it. You could read it, and you could see that whether your phone can detect your earthquake alert or not. So this is the way and how you could do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.